Our award-winning Subaru EyeSight system is now available with manual transmission vehicles. This host of technologies is designed to prevent accidents before they happen. Depending on whether the Subaru vehicle is equipped with a manual or automatic transmission, some EyeSight features will work differently. But either way, EyeSight can provide the same level of reassurance. With the pre-collision braking feature, the basic safety functions are the same, and the same level of collision avoidance is achieved, no matter which transmission is fitted. EyeSight delivers visual and audible alerts if it detects danger ahead, and it can automatically slow or stop the Subaru vehicle to help prevent an accident. Pre-collision braking in manual transmission vehicles will activate regardless of whether the clutch is engaged or if the shifter is in neutral or in a forward gear. With a manual transmission vehicle, if you're in neutral or if EyeSight can't detect what gear is engaged, pre-collision braking won't activate at speeds lower than about 5 miles per hour. It's important to note that with manual transmission vehicles, pre-collision braking will continue to control the vehicle until it stops, even if the engine ultimately stalls. You can still press down the clutch pedal to avoid stalling. After pre-collision braking has been activated in a manual transmission vehicle, brake control is gradually released. To keep the vehicle stopped, simply apply the brakes. With either transmission, drivers can override pre-collision braking by intentionally pressing down on the accelerator pedal. For manual transmission vehicles, this intentional cancellation can occur regardless of the shifter position. So, no matter which transmission is fitted, owners can still experience the benefits of pre-collision braking. The only significant differences are the actions the driver will need to take after a pre-collision braking stop. Adaptive cruise control also works a little differently with manual and automatic transmission Subaru vehicles. With manual transmissions, adaptive cruise control can be set at speeds of 20 miles per hour or higher, as long as the shifter is in 2nd to 6th gear. It will not engage if the transmission is in 1st gear. The reason for the 20 mile per hour speed limit is because this is the lowest speed that the vehicle can operate in 6th gear. For the same reason, the settings for following distances are longer in manual transmission vehicles driving at lower speeds. So whether the Subaru vehicle has an automatic or manual transmission, owners can expect the peace of mind of having Subaru EyeSight, because they're safe and then there's Subaru safe.